Azuki is rebuilding after its Elementals mint mishap. Azuki's latest expansion of its NFT ecosystem missed the mark, while Candy Digital and Palm NFT are merging together to create a superpowered NFT production studio. Also, Warner Music Group and Polygon are launching a blockchain music accelerator program. This week, anime-inspired NFT brand Azuki released a new collection of 20,000 NFT characters that look nearly indistinguishable from the original Azuki collection. The floor price of the project tanked, and now Azuki is taking steps to correct its mistakes. Meanwhile, digital collectibles company Candy Digital is merging with Palm NFT Studio, bringing together industry connections to expand licensed NFT projects across sports, entertainment, art and culture. You're reading The Airdrop, our weekly newsletter where we discuss the biggest stories across Web3. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Friday. This week's Alpha Elemental L. This week, Blue Chip NFT collection Azuki released the latest expansion to its Azuki universe. Called Elementals, the 20,000 edition NFT collection was teased to heavy fanfare and created a frenzy online when details about the mint were announced. 10,000 NFTs had been airdropped to attendees at a Las Vegas event, while the other 10,000 were going to be sold via a Dutch auction with specific mint mechanics. Azuki holders were scheduled to have a 10-minute pre-sale window, followed by a 10-minute pre-sale window for holders of Beans, Azuki's derivative companion project. The project sold out within 15 minutes, eliminating the need for a public sale. The mint appeared to be. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.